Hello friends, welcome. Welcome to this session on questions on factors of numbers. We have already taken one session on how to find the factors of any given number. So the link for that particular video is shared in the description. So if you are new to this particular topic, first that watch that video how to find the factors of number, then you can understand the questions on the factors of number. Okay, now let us try to understand the question, how the questions asked on this particular concept. I have taken some of the questions which are asked in different competitive exam, including CAT, GMAT, GRE, campus recruitment exam, then UPSC. Okay, now here is the first question. This question is asking what is the number of even factors for which are divisible by 9 but not divisible by 36. Now, if you want even factors, then there should be at least one 2 there, at least one 2, at least one 2. So the lowest power of 2 should be 1 when you are finding the even factors. So first of all, what we will do, we will factorize this 36,000. Now, if we factorize this 36,000, so I'm just writing this 36,000 as 36 multiplied by 1000. आपको prime factorization करना पड़ेगा. So 36 is nothing but 6 square. I'm writing this 6 as 2 multiplied by 3 whole square. And this is 10 cube. I'm writing this 10 as 5, 2 into 5 raised to 3. Now breakup अगर कर देते हो आप इसको bracket को, so you will get 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 2, then 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 3. So if you club all this, then you will get 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 and multiplied by 5 raised to 3. Now, we have to find even factors now. So even factors के लिए we required at least one power of 2. So how many powers allowed here for the 2? 5 powers. Means 2 raised to 1 से लेके 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 5. And we can take all the powers of 3 and now. Okay. Again, if you want the numbers which are multiple of 9 but not by 36, तो आपको ये ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा, you have to take only one power of 2, because if you take 2 raised to 2, that is 4, 4 and 3 का second power 36 create कर देगा. Because to create 36, what we require, 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square. So only one power of 2 is allowed here, and you can take any power see, and 3 का आपको minimum power लगेगा 2 लगने वाला है. So 2 power you will require, 3 raised to 2, that is 1 power, and you can take all the powers of 5. All the powers of 5, that means you can take 5 raised to 0 also, 5 raised to 1 also, 5 raised to 2, and 5 raised to 3. So these are 4 powers. So 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So how many even factors are there? There are 4 even factors which are multiple of 9 but not by 36. I hope you people understood this question. Okay, now let us go to the next question now. Let us go to the next question. Let me erase this. Now, this particular question is asking you n is equal to 1980. Find the number and sum of even factors. Again, you required even factors, but there is no condition like that. In previous question, you have been asked even factors. Those are multiple of 9. यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको even factors बोले हैं. So we can take at least one power of 2 and 2 raised to 2 भी ले सकते हैं अगर है इसमें involved तो. So let us write this n 1980 in a prime factorization form. So this must be divisible by 4. So 4 से अगर divide करते हो तो 4 4s are 16, that is 3, 4 9s are, and then 2 4 5s are. Now 4 5 को इसको 5 से अगर divide करते हो तो 5 9s are multiplied by 5. Okay, so this is equal to 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 5. Let us write them in a prime factorization form. 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2, 11 raised to 1, and 5 raised to 1. Now, so this is 1980. Now, if you want to find the even factors now, even factors के लिए आपको 2 का minimum power लगेगा 1. So you can take 2 powers of 2 here, 2 powers of 2, all the powers of 3, that means including 3 raised to 0, so 3 powers of 3, then all the powers of 11, that is 11 raised to 0 also, 11 raised to 1 also, and all the powers of 5, that is 5 raised to 0 also and 5 raised to 1 also. So take this product is 24. So how many factors, even factors? 24 factors. On that basis you can eliminate option 1 and 4. Now we want sum of even factors, sum of even factors. Now sum of even factors के लिए आप देखो इस तरह से कर सकते हो. Even factors का कैसे आप addition निकालोगे? Now we required minimum power of 2 as 1. So 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 2. Okay. And that is the maximum power. 2 raised to 2 is the maximum power in this number. Okay. Now take all the powers of 3, that is 3 raised to multiplied by 3 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 1 plus 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 11 raised to 0 plus 11 raised to 1 multiplied by 5 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 1. Now let us figure out this. This is 2 raised to 1 is 2 and 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So this will be 5. So this will be 5. We want to sum of even factors. Okay. Even factors. So at we required, yes. So 2 raised to 1 is 2 and 2 raised to 2 is 4. So this is 6 multiplied by, this is 13 multiplied by, this is 12 and this is 6. So this is 78 multiplied by 72. So if you multiply 78 and 72, so 7 sevens are 49, 8 twos are 16, carry 1 and do the rainbow calculation. 7 twos are 14 and 7 eights are 56. So this total is 70 plus 1, that is 70. 70 plus 1, 71. Carry 7. इसमें add अगर करोगे तो your answer will be 5616. Okay. Only on the basis of unit place also. Unit place of this product is 6. On that case you can see your answer is option 2 because दो options already हमने eliminate कर दिए थे. So this is a very good question. Now यही question में अगर मुझे if I have been asked, okay, सम ऑफ द ऑड फैक्टर्स तो हम क्या करते? सम ऑफ ऑड फैक्टर्स के लिए हम क्या करते? जस्ट जस्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस. सम ऑफ ऑड फैक्टर्स के लिए हम कोई भी पावर, दो का कोई भी पावर नहीं लेंगे. दिस इज द सम ऑफ द इवन फैक्टर. सो दिस इज 6 into 13 into 12 into 6. Okay. So sum of ऑड फैक्टर्स के लिए हम क्या करते? सम ऑफ ऑड फैक्टर्स के लिए सिर्फ 3 रेज टू 0 प्लस 3 रेज टू 1 प्लस 3 रेज टू 2 बिकॉज मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ 3 is 2. Then 11 raised to 0 plus 11 raised to 1 multiplied by 5 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 1. So that is what we can do for the sum of the odd factors. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay. Now, this question is asking you now, how many factors of this particular number, 36,288, a perfect cube. Now, perfect cube अगर है, तो आपका जो भी power है, that power should be multiple of 3. मल्टीपल ऑफ थ्री तो ही क्यूब होता है. सो जीरो इज ऑल्सो मल्टीपल ऑफ थ्री. तो कौन से पावर्स यू कैन टेक? 0, 3, 6 पावर्स यू कैन टेक. सो पहले इसको फैक्टराइज करना पड़ेगा. 36,288. इसको आई कैन सी दैट दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. सो 9 से डिवाइड करके क्या मिलेगा? 9 4 जा, देन 9 3 जा, रिमाइंडर इज 1, 9 2 जा. फिर से इसको दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 8. सो 8 5s are and 8 4s are. Again, this number is divisible by, this is 2 into 27. So how you can write this? This is 3 square multiplied by 2 raised to, this is 3 and yes, This is 3, 4, 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 square. So this is how we can write 36,288. Now we want the factors which are perfect cube. तो आप एक बार चेक कर लो which powers of 2, 4 and अच्छा आप 3 भी क्लब कर सकते हो. You can club 3 also. We divided this by 9 first. Okay, so you can club this 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 4. 3 raised to 5 होता है 243. ओके एंड 2 रेज टू 4 होता है 16. तो ये आएगा ना 16 3 जा 48 कैरी 4 16 4 जा 64 प्लस यस 16 2 जा 32 प्लस 6. इस देयर इज समथिंग मिसिंग पार्ट हियर. 9 से आप डिवाइड करोगे तो 9 4 जा देन यू हैव टेकन सो देयर मस्ट बी जीरो हियर. ओके ये गलती यहाँ पे हो रही है. सो लेट अस रेक्टिफाई दिस. Let us remove this all. So 36,288. So just divide this by 9. अगर 9 से divide करते हो तो 9 4 जा. Then you're taking 2. So the 0. So then 3. And then there will be 2. Okay. So now this number is divisible by 8. Right? 8 divisible कर रहा है. So 8 से अगर divide करोगे तो 8 5 जा then 0 and 8 4 जा. Again this divisible by 4. सो 4 से अगर डिवाइड करोगे तो 4 1 जा 4 2 जा 4 6 जा. फिर से ये डिवाइड करेगा 9 इंटू 8 इंटू 4 इंटू 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 63. सो 9 इंटू 8 इंटू 4 इंटू 9 इंटू 7. चलो अभी लिख लो. सो this is 432. So this is 2 raised to 5 mil gaya. This is 9 into 9, that is 3 raised to 4 mil gaya. And this is 7 raised to 1. So this is what you got. These are the prime factor. This is the prime factorization of 36,288. Now we want the number which are perfect cube. Now perfect cube agar hai, so I want powers 0, 3, 6 like that. So which powers of 2 allowed here? 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 3. So there are two powers of 2. Now 3 के कौन से powers? 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 3. That is allowed. So that is 2 powers. Or 7 के कौन से? 7 raised to 0. That is 1 power. So if you take the multiplication of this is what? 4. So there are 4. There are uh, there are 4. Okay, powers of 4 powers. Okay, you divided this by 8, right? 8 5 जा. Then again you divided by 4. So यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, फिर से यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. So this will be 6. This will be 6. So 2 raised to 6 भी allow होगा. So your answer must be 6 here. Okay, I'm repeating this question one more time, my dear friends. So 36,288. If we factorize this, this will be 9 into 4,032. Then it will be 9 into, if you divide this by 8, then this is 504. Now you are dividing this by 4 again. So this will be 126. Now you are dividing this by 2 again. So that will be 2 multiplied by 63. Now this is perfect. So 9 into 8 into 4 into 2 into 63 is 9 into 7. Now club kar do ye, this will be 2 raised to 6 now. Multiplied by this 9 into 9, that is 3 raised to 4 and 7 raised to 1. Now we want the numbers which should be perfect cube. Perfect cube के लिए आपको दो के कौन से powers allow है? 2 raised to 0 okay, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 6 is also okay. So there are 3 powers. Okay, 3 के कौन से power? 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 3. This 2 powers of 3 okay, and 7 का 7 raised to 0, that is 1. So if you multiply this, there are 6 factors of this particular number which are perfect cube. ओके सो फैक्टराइजेशन करना, टेबल्स याद करना, डिवीजन प्रोसेस, दिस इज अगेन प्लेज क्रूशियल रोल टू गेट द परफेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये भी बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस नंबर 2 रेज टू 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 रेज टू 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 रेज टू 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 रेज टू 5 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ व्हाट? 120. तो देखो व्हाट they are asking. So 2 raised to 8, 3 raised to 6 multiplied by 5 raised to 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 5. this is equal to how many multiples of 120? How many multiples of 120? So we have to find this value of k in terms of the prime factors form. Okay. So पहले क्लब कर देते हैं 2, इसको 10 को अगर मैं स्प्लिट करके लिखता हूँ, so that will be 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 6 multiplied by 5 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. Okay, because 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. See, 10 raised to 5 is equal to what? 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 5. So, अगर rules of indices आप use करोगे तो 2 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 आएगा. Now 20, 120 को भी split कर दो. 120 is nothing but 18 into 15 multiplied by k. इसका value हमें निकालना है. So, club all 2. So, 2 raised to 13 मिल गया. 3 raised to 6 and 5 raised to 9. That is equal to 8 is nothing but 2 raised to 3. This is 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 multiplied by k. So what will be the value of k? ये इधर आते वक्त ये part divide करेगा. So what I am getting here, k is equal to 2 raised to 10. ये 3 cancel करेगा इसको. Multiplied by 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 5 raised to 8. Now this is what you required. Now just find the factors of this number. So 11 into 6 into 7. So we have to, sorry, 9. So 11, just add 1 to this, add 1 to this, add 1 to this. So this is equal to 11 into 54 and 11 into 54, that is equal to 594. So there are 594 factors of this particular number which are multiple of 120. This is a very good question. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now let us go to the next question now. नाउ सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिमिलर. हमने ऑलरेडी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन किया है, लेकिन देखो यहाँ पे ये इजी क्यों है, क्योंकि इसको ऑलरेडी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखा गया है और आपको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मांगे हुए हैं. नाउ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के लिए कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के लिए आपको दो के कौन से पावर्स अलो है. नाउ 2 raised to 0 is allowed, 2 raised to 4 is allowed, and 2 raised to 2 is also allowed. Okay, 2 raised to 2 is allowed here and 2 raised to 4 is allowed. दो के मल्टीपल में जो भी पावर्स होंगे those are allowed. 2 raised to 2 is allowed, 2 raised to 4 is also okay. Now 3 के कौन से होंगे? 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 6 is also okay. In case of 5, this 5 raised to 0 and 5 raised to 2. So how many powers of 2? That is 3. How many powers of 3? That is 4. And how many powers of 5? That is 2. So take the product of this. 3 fours are 12, 12 twos are 24. So there are 24 factors of this particular number which are perfect square. Okay. Now perfect cube के लिए हमने क्या देखा था? The number, the power should be multiple of 3. That is 0, 3, 6 like that. Okay. Let us go to the next question. नाउ ये क्वेश्चन आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हो. यूज द पेपर एंड पेंसिल. 1000. नाउ यहाँ पे 1080 को हमें स्प्लिट करने पड़ेगा प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के फॉर्म में. आई कैन राइट दिस. इफ यू डिवाइड दिस बाय 4, if you divide this by 4, so even you can divide this by 8 also. If you divide this by 8, so what you will get? 8 ones are 8, remainder is 2, 8 threes are, then remainder is 4, 8 fives are. So, and 35 can be written as this, 135 can be written as 9 into 15. Yeah, 27, 27 fives are. Okay. So, if you are good at table, so बच जाएगा आपका टाइम बहुत सारा. So, let us write them as 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 1. Now we want perfect square factors of this particular number. So which power? Perfect square हमें चाहिए. Perfect square अगर चाहिए तो which powers of 2, 3 and 5 allowed here? 2 के 2 power 2 raised to 0 and 2 raised to 2. 3 के भी 2 power 3 raised to 0 and 3 raised to 2. And 5 का only one power, that is 5 raised to 0. So 2 powers of this number, 2 powers of this number and 1 power of this number, सबका multiplication हो जाएगा. So how many factors of this particular number are perfect square? There are 4 factors which are perfect square. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. I hope you people are enjoying this particular session. अब तक का सेशन अगर आपको अच्छा लगा होगा तो press the like button and try to share it to as many people as you can, so that other students will also get the advantage out of it. Now we have given this number. Now try to give me the answer. आपको even factors पूछे हैं. We already done this kind of question. और n को देखो यहाँ पे आपको सीधा सीधा दे दिया 2 raised to 6, 5 raised to 5 into 7 raised to 6 into 10 raised to 7. Now only 10 raised to 7 को split करना पड़ेगा. 10 raised to 7 can be written as 2 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 7. So सीधा मैं अभी इसको लिख रहा हूँ. 7 and this 6 added together. So 2 raised to 13. 5 and 7 added together, then 5 raised to 12. Then 7 raised to 6. So ये मिल गया मुझे. This is new n. Okay. Now we want even numbers, even factors which are even. Now even factors के लिए हमें दो के कितने पावर्स अलो हो जाएंगे? दो के 13 पावर्स. एंड यू कैन टेक ऑल द पावर्स ऑफ 5 and all the powers of 7. So that is including 5 raised to 0, 13 powers of 5, including 7 raised to 0, 7 powers of 7. So this is 169 multiplied by 7. अगर आप ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन करते हो तो ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन का यूनिट प्लेस 3 आने वाला है और 3 से एंड होने वाला एक ही ऑप्शन आपको दिया हुआ है, दैट इज ऑप्शन 1. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन माय डियर फ्रेंड. यहाँ पे आपको दिया गया है अ नंबर ए बी सी डी हैव 16, 28, 30 एंड 27 फैक्टर्स. फैक्टर्स कितने नंबर्स को ऑलरेडी दिया गया है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कुड बी अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. पिछले सेशन में जब फाइंडिंग द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ एनी नंबर के बारे में मैंने बोला था, तो आई टोल्ड यू दैट अगर कोई भी नंबर अगर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर अगर है तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के जो भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं, फैक्टर्स, काउंट ऑफ फैक्टर. ओके, फैक्टर का काउंट हमेशा क्या होता है? ऑड होता है. अगर फैक्टर का काउंट ऑड है तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन से दैट दैट नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हाट वी कैन से इन केस ऑफ अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. इन केस ऑफ अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, if the factors are multiple of factors are multiple of 4, then we can say that that number is a perfect square. देखो, क्योंकि देखो 16 कैसे आया होगा? 16, how you got 16? 4 multiplied by 4. So number of factors निकालते वक्त this must be p raised to a multiplied by q raised to b. So this must be 3 and this must be 3. Then and then you are adding 1 to it and then you are taking the factors. 28 को हम लिख सकते हैं कि yes, 28 can be written as 4 into 7. So this must be p raised to a multiplied by q raised to b. तो ये क्या रहा होगा? This is p raised to 3 multiplied by q raised to 7, q raised to 6. Then and then you got, just add 1 to this and then you will get. So यहाँ पे situation क्या रहा होगा? p raised to 3 multiplied by q raised to 3. So definitely if you want a number which is a perfect cube, so from the number of factors given, you can definitely decide which number is a perfect cube or not. Perfect square के बारे में मैंने बोला, if the number of factors are odd, then it must be a perfect square. And if it is a perfect cube, then the number of factors must be multiple of 4. Here we have two numbers, that is 26, 16 and 28. So A and B, these numbers definitely are perfect cube. Are perfect cube. Okay. So this is a very good, interesting question, my dear friends. Okay, I hope you like this particular question. So in this way, we completed this particular session. Yesterday, day before yesterday, we have seen how to find the factors, total number of factors of a number. And now today we have seen the question based on this. Okay. I hope you like this particular session. If you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel, my dear friend. I'm keep uploading the different topics which are very, very important for your competitive exams. All competitive exams, including UPSC, CAT exam, different banking exam, RBI, B grade exam, very prestigious exams, my dear friend. अगर आपको concept पता है तो बहुत ही कम से कम वक्त में आपको answers मिल सकता है. चलो, thank you very much. Bye bye. Happy learning. Have a nice day.